Tired of sleepless nights because of dust mites living in your mattress? We've got the perfect solution for you. In this video, we will tell you everything you need to know about dust mites and how to get rid of them once and for all. Stay tuned to find out our secret weapon that will help keep your mattress free from these pesky pests. Dust mites are tiny arachnids that typically live in mattresses, carpets, soft furniture, and other places where there is a high humidity level. They feed on dead skin cells shed by humans and animals, which makes them a potential health hazard, as they can trigger allergies or asthma attacks in some individuals. The best way to get rid of these creatures is through regular cleaning and maintenance, such as vacuuming, steam cleaning, and using anti-dust mite sprays. However, these methods may only be temporary solutions, as the dust mites can come back after some time if not taken care of properly. Our secret weapon against dust mites is an air purifier with HEPA filters, which helps reduce allergens like pollen, pet dander, etc. But most importantly, it traps dust particles, including those from the dreaded dust mite. By running an air purifier in your bedroom at least once every 2 to 3 days, you can help keep any potential infestations at bay for good. Some natural home remedies for getting rid of dust mite include creating an environment with low humidity levels below 50%, washing sheets in hot water above 130 degrees Fahrenheit, or using essential oils like eucalyptus oil around the house, which repels the bugs away. However, it's important to note that while they do not bite or sting humans directly, their droppings have been known to cause irritation when inhaled or touched. To get rid of the dust mites in mattresses, you can use a vacuum cleaner with a HEPA filter to trap the dust particles. You can also use an anti-dust mite spray on your mattress and pillows. So there you have it. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos.